Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a Facebook post design on multiple niches, on different niches. So guys, as in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Facebook post on motivational quotes. So motivational quotes are nowadays very trendy, and you can grow your own theme page on Instagram, Facebook, etc., or you can sell the skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. You can target the offline market, or you can go to google.com and search the website related to motivation and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence or Facebook presence, so they will surely hire you. So we are now on Canva is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and you can edit videos and you can do a lot of things on Canva. So if you want to know completely about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section, and here I upload a complete playlist of Canva designing course. I think after watching the course you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's go to create a design, and here I search Facebook post. So I click on square. It is most usually format, and I think motivation is this type of color, and I search here quote box, but before this I search for motivational quotes, and yeah, this is the good quote: our greatest weakness lies in giving up. Yeah, so never give up. So graphics, let's see some of the best. I think this one is good. So I must change the color. Yeah, it's look good. Now paste my quote, and now I want to change the color and font style, which look good. Yeah, it's look good. So guys, this is our simple motivational quote post for Facebook. So as you can see, we just created it in 2-3 minutes hardly. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.